Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the class. Now, we have already started the lesson number 3, that is the wisdom in carrots. Now, we are going to continue the lesson today. First, let's remind what we learned in the previous lesson. So, previously, we knew that as Hojja told the king that the real wisdom is in carrots. So the king got angry and ordered Hojja to explain about his statement. So next we are going to see what happens in the court now. The court looked at him curiously. Curiously means eagerly, wanting to know what Hojja is going to say. Hojja continued, "You see, true wisdom is like a carrot crop. The best part is buried under the ground, where no one can see it. If they are left in the ground for too long, the carrot will be destroyed. It takes an experienced farmer to look at the green leaves on top and decide when the crop is ready for harvesting." Now what Hojja says, a true wisdom is same as a carrot crop. It is buried under the land. We cannot see whether the carrot is ready to harvest or no. But an experienced farmer who knows well how to harvest the carrots, he only harvests the crop by seeing its leaves. When the farmer sees the leaf, he gets to know whether the crop is ready or no. But what does this have to do with wisdom? Asked one confused courtier as Hojja paused for breath. Now what happens? One man of the court asked Hojja that what is the relation between the carrot crop and the wisdom? My dear friend, in the same way, only an intelligent person can recognize true wisdom, which is often invisible. Just like the carrots, if you don't seek wisdom at the right time, it will go waste. And finally, just like a donkey would run after carrots, I have found that there are many fools who think wisdom can be found easily. They don't know the truth. Now what happened? Hojja says, a true wisdom cannot be seen. It is only used. But whenever we need a wisdom or whenever we have the need to use it and we don't use it or we do a late in using it, that time our wisdom goes waste. It is of no use to be a intelligent person if you cannot use your wisdom at the time of need. Now, the court was silent when Hojja finished speaking. What will the king do to Hojja now? Remarked some of the courtiers. After he finished speaking, some of them sitting in the court thought, now what would the king do with Hojja? The king rose from his throne and came towards Hojja. I am very sorry for not trusting you. You have helped us realize that wisdom cannot be found. It has to be earned through constant learning. Please help us continue to learn in our daily life. Saying this, he hugged Hojja. Now, what is the moral of this story? The moral of this story is wisdom is not something that is bought or sold by someone or found somewhere. It is earned by constant learning. Like we all come to school, we learn lessons, we write our homework, we give exams. This is the process of earning a wisdom. When we will learn, we will study, we will get more and more wisdom and we will become a intelligent person. That evening, Hojja went home happily with a rich reward in his pocket. But can you guess what he forgot? Now, you can see in this image, his mother is angry with him. Why? Because she wrote on the paper and gave Hojja that he has to bring carrots. But he again forgot. So here, we finish our lesson. And if you have any doubt or query regarding any part of the lesson, you can ask me. Okay everyone, bye.